Hello everyone, this is Ashley with Aria Entertainment, and today I am going to draw an XLR wiring diagram on draw.io. I know that I already made a diagram video, but the first video had the female and male switched. So I just want to draw the correct diagram for you guys so that you can have it for reference. So first I'm going to start with the circle. And I'm just going to put it right here. And then I'm going to draw another circle. I'm going to put it right here. And let's just label this first before we begin. Okay, so now we have our label XLR wiring diagram. So we're going to get a circle for our first pin, and this is going to be pin 1. And let me write one on there. This is the female end that we're doing right now. So let me label that. This is pin 2. And this is pin 3. Now let's start with the male end. Here is pin 1. Sorry, pin 1 is over here. Here is pin 2. And here is pin 3. So there are 3 things that we need to remember when we're talking about XLRs. Your pin 1 is going to be your ground. Your pin 2 is going to be your positive. And your pin 3 is going to be your negative. So we're going to color code these accordingly. So I'm going to color pin 1 gray on both sides. It's very pale gray. Pin 2, I'm going to color it red because it's hot. It's our positive. And pin 3, I'm going to color it black. So just remember that when facing away from each other, the pins are opposite. When facing together, they match up, which is why on the diagram they're on the opposite sides. But just remember that your third pin, the bottom pin, is always your negative, and that the one pin is your ground. So then you only have the positive left, which is your second pin. I hope this helps, and I'm sorry for the mix-up I had with the other video. I will create more videos soon. Thank you.